Hello everyone, it is Sunday and I don't have work for 2 days in a row. Oh my gosh, that hasn't happened in a while. So today me and boyfriend and Moband people are gonna go to that cool Italian restaurant in Koenji called Uschita, and it's super duper rainy and windy today. I wanted to play badminton, but I guess I can't. When you say the word badminton, are you supposed to say the N? Badminton or badminton?
Badminton in Japanese.
Okay.
In Japanese, actually, badminton.
Oh. I always wonder because in English I never knew how to say it right.
Badminton.
Is it?
No.
Okay.
何ケースなの本来は。あ、やっぱそうなの。
So it is a cigarette case. The lunch set comes with this. Yay. So the noodles they use here seem to be like really similar to EAK ramen noodles, which is the best kind of ramen and the best kind of noodle. And it's like Japanese noodles in Italian food, so it's really interesting. Oh, tiramisu. And chocolate. And what is this?
カタラー
I don't know what that is.
ナ。クレマカタラー
And the little baby orange things. Some mystery ginger alcohol. And then while Piggy's drinking orange. Ah, yes, that. Okay, we finished eating, so now we're gonna wander around Koenji. There's random people giving out free monsters that are a new flavor, apparently. I already got 2. Load off. Anyway, I should show you my thrift store finds. I got this fancy peplum skirt thing. It's very short and it has removable peplum with a zipper. Like that's weird. I don't know. It's weird, but I like it because it's weird. And it still has the original tag on it and the original price, which was 6,825 yen originally. And I got it for 300 yen. And it's got a removable peplum. It's so interesting. Another thing I got is this nice long gold sparkly skirt. It was 1,000 yen, but it was half off, so only 500 yen. And it's some brand from California, according to the tag. But yeah, I think it might be vintage. And then I got this brand. I got this dress, which is a Chinese brand. I don't know anything about it, but the tag's all in Chinese. And the dress looks kind of Chinese styled, I guess. But it's got the pretty detail of the bird on there. And then also on here. And then one more thing I got today from Hardoff, actually, while they were looking at musical instruments. I got this lens, the one I'm currently using, which I can't show you, but it's like a zoom-ish lens, and the focus doesn't work. And it was like 2,200 yen, and it's called, I'm going to look at it, actually, I'm going to face it to you while I talk to you. Hello guys, so I'm back home now. I bought a new camera lens, and I'm using it right now. It was 2,200 yen, and That's some nice background blur we've got going on there. It doesn't autofocus. It's a Sigma Zoom Master 35 to 70 millimeter 3.5 4.5 numbers. There's a bunch of numbers and I'm not really sure what they mean, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. I don't know what's good for this lens yet. I'm gonna play with it and figure it out. Okay, so boyfriend is in the process of straightening my hair. I can't really see what's going on without my glasses on. This is how far it is so far. You may continue. Your face won't show. It's only my face. There's no way your face will show. But yeah, I have a very helpful boyfriend who does my hair for me. And I will show you guys how it looks when it is done. Okay, here's the result. Whoa, it looks so different. I look so different. Who am I? Heh. I have a good personal stylist.